Hello, my name is Utsav Kasare. Today I'm going to show you how to use few basic Autocad commands. Almost every command used in Autocad is displayed on the top side of the screen. We will start by performing the line command. To do this, we will need to click on the line icon available at the top side. A line is defined by two different points. We need to mark one point and then decide the length of the line. And finally mark the second point and then hit enter. Now use the circle command. Select the circle tool by clicking the icon. A circle is defined by one center point and a radius. To create a circle, select the center point of the circle and add in the positive radius. Once you hit enter, the circle would be ready. Now we are going to perform the rectangle command. Rectangle consists of four different points: length and breadth. Select the icon of rectangle from the top corner of the screen. Mark one point and drag the mouse to the other desired point. After deciding the length and breadth. Now finally, the trim command. Trim command is used to trim or erase extra stretched lines. I will illustrate this by an example. Draw a rectangle. Now draw a line passing through the rectangle. And right there. Now if we want to chop off the line outside of the rectangle, we can do it by using trim tool. Select the trim icon and select the objects with respect to the trim and hit enter. Now just select the parts to be trimmed off and you're good to go. Thank you so much. That will be all. Yeah.